Welcome to our final tutorial, or the first section of tools. Well, it's the toolbar or Photoshop CS5. Let's go ahead and create them one. Let me go create them one new canvas. One new document. Let me put a US paper and two letter. Maybe one big fella document or something. Since by me work with them color, these two colors, yeah. I mean these two tools. We need them. We must work with them color. So I'm just rush through. No, just create them some shapes with colors in them. Just you watch them now, suppose. Oh, sorry. It's grayscale. Let's try put it to CMYK now. Yes. Yellow. Drag this around. I mean, we use some background blue color blue. Maybe the light blue stuff. Because maybe set them up finish. You go light blue. And then you use one rectangle for drawing one square nose, maybe make a nose say blue. I'm using one tool, but you start thinking so what's happening. And then you may create one mouth down there, one wide mouth a little bit, using the minus tool. And this option, let me make one curvy looking mouth like that, and maybe we follow up with a red from the money smile inside the mouth and red. Yep. So we have you may just creating one vector looking face. No, now yeah, with them 4 colors. Okay. So the next 4 tools we tell them last tutorial say. These tools olgeta really selection tool. They are more to design tools. Well, all of those tools are used for design anyway. Olgeta yusum olgeta select them color. Lo traditional sense of selection as way maybe make man have. Oh, me click lo slice tool, so I am creating a slice section. Olgeta. So lo pleasure. Look, color no rich tumas also was supposed to be using RGB, but colors are really more rich. But this is CMYK, color mode will get all printers. We put the CMYK because all tools were by me use first to, especially this tool, color sampler tool. Hemi all printers. All printers only work with them tool planted. So let's do the eyedropper tool first time. Use some eyedropper tool just to select them all colors. So you want them look bottom please. Suppose you want them choose one color blem, one color yusum by color of foreground now by hemi color we use currently yusum. So right now suppose me start do something, me write them one talk or me draw one shape. Color blem by red. If I click the white area, it is in white down. So if we click the blue it go down, green down, yellow down, red down. By noticing that I stop press them after I me hold me stop, it stops showing out. Let me go to this. It's showing green. It's showing green on top. I mean the color we currently choose me stop. After red, red low bottom. I color when we been choosing finish stop the previous color. Yellow. So the previous color is up below and the current color is up under. One something too. As you start moving color pick up blue. Excuse me. as you start moving, as you start moving color pick up you hydrobatul you overall colors overall colors you look right side there, you got the information is the come out, see look see all information to CMYK position you start show. So C hemi stand for cyan, M hemi magenta, Y hemi yellow, K hemi black. So it's say le placer you some 5% magenta, 50% yellow, le placer 71% cyan, when family blue, and then another one black in the more placer 100% cyan or yellow. So yeah, green you get it by mixing blue and yellow, by cyan and yellow. And then down there you look 100% magenta. So what am color picker? Hydrobatul you can, but you save choose some color mo tu tayo move overall color no mo sama look 0%, that means everyone the whole thing is white. They used to move hydrobatul be overall all colors. You have a click to choose some color, so you change some color down, foreground color yusum. But tu is some information. One of the other tool where you yusum to work with color, I mean the color sampler. If you move around to, show them. Say you stop full intensity or different color. But with the color sampler, you use the sample the all color will stop. You say choose up to 4 samples. So you look say me 1 2 3 4 for him I'm going to click outside on that. Let's try around 4. Then you choose some bag and look at a little bit also. Okay, so now yeah, you look. Let me show him. They choose some 4 staples him. And you come to look the average up base and you take an average flow colors. You look say which one I used between which one all colors and if you were to print now, but you spend more money or which color? So all printers always have a PM, all one color separate alone cartridges. So cyan you got one cartridge play, magenta you got one cartridge play. So but you have a calculate them, so you spend them how much one color, and then based on that you say charge them. You say charge them one printing, one printing the one design based on how much color you use. So yeah, this is advanced stuff where we not really have a use. It's a useful tool used by printers. Look severe. Then just not said them histogram too, based law all percentage. So you say look say when I'm kalana and we use that planted based on the histogram. I mean this is a vector design. You got 5 solid colors: white, blue, yellow, green, and red. The low one complex design was one photo. I remember color blame more different. We take them samples, every so small place. We look say which color I use some blondie. I mean one tedious work, one slow work, one hard work where you mean and them cover. A good play me look tool because you start follow all tool, you come down and you become fast. You good way you look play. Then you got ruler tool. Ruler I may use lo calculate them. Well, before you continue, me look, me take them out all sampling points play me ano mo first time. So just right click lo one point. Tapos yung delete team. Aircon you make them walk. And then ruler tool, it's ruler. You look ruler, you say maybe minimum. You click no more, you measure distance between here and here. I mean how what's the length? Okay, 13 centimeters. Really? And then the angle you look pleasure. You same angle blame based the horizontal. And then length blame. So maybe you want to measure one. What's the length below Hemia? Kasi oh, okay, Hemia. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Hemia 3.61 centimeters. Or maybe me reduce them, go small more, and then you resize them the green bit, then you continue working. So Hemia, it's to scale. But you look look okay 3.61. Okay, lo paper 3.61. Wait, try look lo paper. Oh, it's too big. Maybe me research. It's too small. Me open them. Me make me more big one. So you use some rule up. You start. You take them some realistic measurements. Or design view how bali appear print the actual printed design. And then you may got notes. I'll just click around them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, your load, so you say right. So we are currently on the red one. You may say type them one tok. Say red one. Pleasure. Ale, go pleasure. Me green, Hemia, green. And then you may say what is on yellow one. Blow. So no. Say you may got so you say make them notes, design blue, you close them, and you then next time you open them again, maybe save in this stuff. You click now side of the same. So next time you go, then next time you come, you open them. Suppose you close them, if they save them, and then next time you come, you open them. But the notes say stap. You try at least the notes. You write them some explanations. You use to make one in a small area. Okay, I'm doing this. So you write them also small notes. Stap. Make them say maybe suppose you just work in a team, and you make one small part of one, and you save and finish. Next man you can work there. You can read himself. Make them one. Okay. I mean use them. Use some notes, Excel, all kind of stuff. Same idea. I mean, not too much to do with designing. I mean, more to do with documentation. So, very not too popular tools, but very useful. Helping you. Make design really become more bukuta. I mean, for la tools all advanced. All people are company lisa use olgeta plante. You mean all basic designing maybe, but you by me you mean that same olgeta. Maybe the iDrop tool yes by me yusum be all na rawania ba you mean no yusum. So this has been this is the last one for this week. Yes, we come lo end lo all tutorials lo this week. We start taking all section by section. So this week we take start lo move tool, come finish him down lo notes tool lo pleasure. Next week we take lo spot healing brush tool, we go some sponge tool down lo pleasure. This section by me lo next week and next week I mean interesting, I mean exciting from when we work with them colors and gradients and the clone tool, and by me work with them pictures, and by me even use some tool we learn and finish we work with them olgeta. It will be exciting next week. All tools we by me learn them. That's when by me actually create them some good for some. And one heads up is that by me learn them how we use to masking. I mean, one notion, one ideal of designing with full of manual in the stap use. I mean, one great I mean one way where one style of design where it becomes a you know must I got headache later on with masking. So what I'm Hemia, me I leave you with a smiling vector face with notes lol body parts blam. Yeah. Thank you too much for this town and bear with me. Sorry for the beeping and sorry for the rumbling sound in the background. Me hope so you've been taking every notes where me go through them, and hopefully have me helpful to you in some ways as you start journey or designing journey blue. See you next week.